Hey there, space explorers! Welcome to a journey that will take you beyond the confines of our planet and into the vast expanse of space. Are you ready for an adventure? An adventure that will stretch your imagination and fill you with awe? Let's embark on a cosmic tour of our very own solar system, a place filled with wonders and mysteries waiting to be discovered. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare to be amazed by the wonders that await us. Imagine yourself as an astronaut, ready to explore the unknown. From the blazing heart of our solar system to the icy depths of the outer planets, we'll journey across billions of miles. Each planet, each moon, has its own story to tell. We'll encounter celestial objects of breathtaking beauty and mind-boggling scale, stars that dwarf our own sun, and galaxies that stretch across the cosmos. Get ready to be inspired by the universe we call home. A universe that is vast, mysterious, and incredibly beautiful. Our solar system is a fascinating place. It's a dynamic, ever-changing environment where new discoveries are made all the time. It's a cosmic ballet of planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Each one moving in a delicate dance, influenced by the gravitational pull of the sun. All of them waltz around the sun, guided by its immense gravity. This gravitational force keeps everything in its place, creating a harmonious system. This is our corner of the Milky Way galaxy, a place teeming with wonder and beauty. A place where stars are born and die, and where planets form and evolve. So let's dive in and explore. Let's uncover the secrets of our solar system and beyond. Our journey begins at the center of it all, where a star burns bright. A star that has been shining for billions of years. This is the sun, the anchor of our solar system and the source of life as we know it. Its energy powers everything from the smallest plants to the largest animals. Get ready, because it's going to be a hot one. The sun's surface is a seething mass of energy, with temperatures reaching thousands of degrees. Solar flares and sunspots are just a few of the phenomena that make the sun such a fascinating object to study. Its activity affects everything from our weather to our technology. And yet, despite its power, the sun is just one of billions of stars in our galaxy, each one with its own planets, its own potential for life. So, as we look out into the universe, let's remember that we are part of something much larger. A cosmic neighborhood filled with endless possibilities. Our journey has just begun. There is so much more to explore, so many more wonders to discover. Let's keep our eyes on the stars and our hearts open to the mysteries of the cosmos. The sun is a giant ball of hot gas. It's mostly hydrogen and helium. The sun's gravity holds our solar system together. Its energy gives us light and warmth. Without the sun, life on Earth wouldn't exist. It's the ultimate cosmic power source. Deep inside the sun, a process called nuclear fusion takes place. This is where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium. This process releases enormous amounts of energy. This energy travels through space as light and heat, reaching us here on Earth. The sun is a dynamic and active star. It goes through cycles of activity, with sunspots and solar flares erupting on its surface. These events can have an impact on Earth, causing auroras and even disrupting communications. But don't worry, the sun is a stable star. It will continue to shine for billions of years to come. Now, let's leave the sun's intense heat behind. We're heading to the first planet in our cosmic lineup. Mercury, the swift messenger of the gods. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It's a tiny, rocky world that has fascinated astronomers for centuries. It's also the closest to the Sun, orbiting at an average distance of just 36 million miles, 58 million kilometers. This proximity makes Mercury a world of extremes, where the sun dominates the sky and the environment is anything but hospitable. Picture a barren landscape, scorched by the sun's relentless rays. The surface is a mix of rocky plains and craters, with no atmosphere to protect it from the sun's intense heat. Temperatures on Mercury can soar to a staggering 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 430 degrees Celsius, during the day. This makes it one of the hottest places in our solar system. But don't get too comfortable. The lack of atmosphere means that Mercury cannot retain heat. As night falls on Mercury, the temperatures plummet to a frigid minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 180 degrees Celsius. This drastic drop creates a world of extremes, where survival would be impossible. This extreme temperature swing is the most drastic in our entire solar system, showcasing the harsh reality of life on Mercury. Talk about a planet of contrasts. From blistering heat to bone-chilling cold, Mercury is a place of incredible extremes. Despite its harsh conditions, Mercury is a fascinating world. Its surface is a testament to the violent history of our solar system. It's a rocky planet, much like Earth, but with a much thinner atmosphere. This thin atmosphere is composed mostly of oxygen, sodium, and hydrogen, but it's not enough to support life as we know it. This means that Mercury is covered in craters, just like our Moon. These craters are the result of countless impacts over billions of years. These craters are evidence of a violent past, with countless asteroids and comets colliding with its surface. Each impact has left its mark, creating a rugged and pockmarked landscape. Mercury is also the fastest planet in our solar system. It races around the Sun at an incredible speed. It zips around the Sun at a speed of almost 30 miles per second, 48 kilometers per second. This rapid pace means that Mercury completes an orbit in a very short time. That's fast enough to complete an orbit in just 88 Earth days. This quick orbit is why Mercury has such a short year compared to Earth. Get ready, because we're leaving Mercury's scorched surface behind. Our journey through the solar system is just beginning. Our next stop is Venus, a planet shrouded in mystery and covered in a thick, toxic atmosphere. Venus is often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and composition, but its conditions are vastly different. Venus is often called Earth's twin. They are similar in size and composition. But don't let that fool you. Despite these similarities, the two planets are worlds apart in terms of their environments. Venus is a hostile and unforgiving world. Its surface is a barren, rocky wasteland marked by volcanic plains and towering mountains. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. This means that the heat from the sun gets trapped and cannot escape, causing temperatures to soar. This makes Venus the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the sun. Imagine a planet permanently covered in clouds. These clouds are so thick that they completely obscure the surface from view. These aren't fluffy white clouds like those on Earth. Instead, they are dense and dark, creating a perpetual twilight on the surface. These clouds are made of sulfuric acid, a highly corrosive substance. This means that any spacecraft or probe that tries to land on Venus has to withstand not just the heat, but also the corrosive atmosphere. These clouds trap heat, raising the surface temperature to a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt lead. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is also extreme. It's so high that it would crush most objects that we are familiar with on Earth. It's 90 times greater than Earth's atmospheric pressure. To put that into perspective, that's like being 3,000 feet, 900 meters, beneath the ocean's surface. The pressure is so intense that it would crush a human being instantly. If you were to stand on the surface of Venus, you would be crushed by the immense pressure. It's a place where only the toughest machines can survive, and even they don't last long. Despite its harsh environment, Venus is a beautiful planet. From space, it appears as a bright, shining beacon in the sky. It shines brightly in our night sky, often called the morning star or the evening star. This is because it is one of the brightest objects in the sky, visible just before sunrise or just after sunset. But beneath its beauty lies a world of intense heat, crushing pressure, and toxic clouds. It's a stark reminder of how different planets can be, even if they are similar in some ways. Now, let's leave this scorching planet behind. As fascinating as it is, Venus is not a place where we could ever hope to live. We're heading home to Earth, a true oasis in the vastness of space. Our planet is unique in its ability to support life, with its perfect balance of temperature, atmosphere, and water. Buckle up, because there's no place like home. Earth is a sanctuary in the cosmos, a place where life thrives in abundance and diversity.